Hello students, I am Bharti Shinde, working as a lecturer in Praveen Patil Polytechnic College. Today we will see how to draw orthographic projections. As we have seen in previous video that in orthographic projections we will use first angle method and third angle method. As we know, in first angle method, object is placed in first quadrant and front view, top view are like this. Suppose this is front view. Below the front view there is a top view, and in this side there is a left hand side view, and in this side there is a right hand side view. First we will see some examples, some simple examples. Suppose this is our first object and this arrow direction is the direction for front view. So what we will see in front view, so for front view we will see this rectangle. So in this example, side view is from right side. So this is the direction for side view, that is right hand side view. So right hand side view will appear left of the front view. So our first view will be here and RHS view will be here and top view will be here. So first, when you see from this direction for front view, so we will see the rectangle. For top view we will see also a rectangle, and for side view there is also a rectangle. So for side view, take directions from front view. So there is also a rectangle, and for top view we will take, suppose this is a 45-degree line, take its projection so projections from side view this line and this line, and from front view this line and this line. So this is the front view, top view and right hand side view for this simple object. Now we will take second example, this diagram. So this is this direction for front view. So what we will see, again for side view direction is right hand side view. So RHS view, that is right hand side view, will appear on this side. So front view will appear here. So in front view we will see this horizontal line, this vertical line and this semicircle. So this is front view. Now in side view we will see this line and this rectangle. Now here, suppose this side and its this complete rectangle. Now for top view again we will see rectangle. So take projections from front view and side view, and a rectangle will appear like this. Now we will see third example, that is this diagram, and this is the direction for front view. So what we will see in front view, this line, and this arc joining the two lines. So in front view we will see this vertical line, horizontal line, and arc joining these two lines. Now in side view, that is, this is the direction for side view. In side view we will see a rectangle. And in top view we will also see a rectangle, that is this portion only we can see in top view. So from taking directions from side view and top view, this rectangle we will get in top view. Then we will see this simple example. This is the direction for front view. So what we will see in front view, that is this rectangle and this circular portion. Now here direction for side view is left hand side view, that is LHS view. So left hand side view will appear right of the front view. So our front view will appear here and left hand side view will appear here. So in front view we will see this rectangle and this semicircle, total circle. Then in left hand side view we will see this rectangle. So this is the rectangle, and this circular portion we have seen in front view will be hidden in side view. So draw its projections from front view and it will be hidden, that is draw it by dotted line. And in top view we will also see this rectangle. So in top view we will see rectangle. So take projections from front view and the rectangle. Also take projection from side view and the rectangle will be like this. In top view also the circle will be hidden. So again take projections from front view and the hidden portion, that is hidden circle, we have drawn in top view. Now these are the examples for some simple objects.